Yes, you can make this yummy and delicious moi moi for your family to enjoy at home. So join me. Let me teach you how you can make one. Let's get started. Firstly, you need to peel your beans. You peel off the back. After that, you blend it. So as you can see, I'm trying to raise up the water so that I can have a clear back, as in clear peeled beans. So after that, I added the tartar salsa ball, onions, hot pepper, and now went to blend it. So I also arranged the pot that I'm going to use to put all the beans, the moment as I'm tying it. I also peel off the egg, wash the leaf that I'm going to use to make the moi moi. I'm using leaf and today. Please like and share this my video. Comment in the comment section. That alarm is time for us to what? Do the mixture. After blending, I added some chicken spices, salt, my cube. I also added crayfish while blending, so that's all. So watch me as I tie the leaf. If you don't know how to tie your moi moi leaf, you can also learn from this. So as I'm tying the leaf, I also added the already peeled cooked egg that I cutted into small shapes of sizes. So that is it. So look at me tying the moi moi with the leaf. So that is it. So I continue the process until I've exhausted all the blended mixture. See it, isn't it amazing? And my moi leaf tastes great more than the one that you use your cup or nylon or even plates to cook. So try this using the moi moi leaf, those leaf that they used to tie it. You'll see the difference. So after that, I've arranged everything inside the pot. I use the remaining leaf to cover it. Remember, moi moi process, as in the method of cooking, is by steaming, so you will not add too much water, just small amount of water. While you have already used some leaf to place the damp pot of your pot before placing your already tied moi moi. So after about 50 to 55 minutes, your moi moi is done already. You It's yummy and it's delicious. Look at it. Is it not looking amazing? Is it not yummy? Just rate my moi moi. The look and the taste is wow. So try this recipe. Let me know what you think at the comment section. Bye.